In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Going to school.
Are you going to school?
Yes, I am going now.
Do you walk to school?
I walked to school today.
Is your school near?
My school is not far.
Do you like your school?
I like my school very much.
Is the weather nice today?
The weather is fine today.
Do you have your bag?
I have my school bag.
Are you happy today?
I am really happy today.
Do you go with friends?
I go with my friends.
Is your uniform clean?
My uniform is clean.
Do you have books today?
I have my books with me.
Do you eat on the way?
I eat a small snack.
Is the road safe?
The road is very safe.
Do you see many students?
I see many students.
Are you late for school?
I am not late today.
Do you like your teacher?
I like my teacher very much.
Do you study hard at school?
I study hard every day.
Do you drink water at school?
I drink water at school.
Do you play at school?
I play with my friends.
Is school fun for you?
School is fun for me.
Will you study well today?
I will study well today. Daily life.
Do you get up early?
I get up very early.
Do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth now.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
I eat breakfast at home.
Do you like milk?
I like warm milk.
Do you walk to school?
I walk to school every day.
Is your school near?
My school is very near.
Do you have lunch at school?
I have lunch at school.
Do you eat rice for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you rest after lunch?
I rest for a short time.
Do you drink much water?
I drink water every day.
Do you go home late?
I go home early today.
Do you walk home?
I walk home with you.
Do you help at home?
I help my family at home.
Do you eat dinner at home?
I eat dinner at home.
Do you watch TV?
I watch a little TV.
Do you read books?
I read simple books.
Do you wash your face?
I wash my face and hands.
Do you sleep early?
I sleep early every night.
Do you feel happy?
I feel very happy today.
Is your day good?
My day is really good. Doing sports.
Do you like sports?
I like sports very much.
Can we do sports now?
We can do sports now.
Do you want to run?
I want to run with you.
Is the weather good?
The weather is very good.
Are you ready now?
I am really ready now.
Do you walk first?
I walk first to warm up.
Can you run fast?
I can run a little fast.
Are you tired now?
I am a little tired.
Can we rest now?
We can rest a short time.
Do you have water?
I have clean water here.
Do you drink water now?
I drink some water now.
Is sports good for you?
Sports is good for me.
Do you feel strong?
I feel strong and well.
Can we walk again?
We can walk again now.
Do you like morning sports?
I like morning sports much.
Is your body warm?
My body is very warm.
Do you enjoy sports?
I enjoy sports very much.
Can we stretch a bit?
I can stretch my body.
Are you happy today?
I am happy with sports.
Do you want to play again?
I want to play again soon. At home.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am at home.
Do you feel happy at home?
I feel happy at home.
Do you like your room?
I like my room very much.
Is your room clean?
My room is clean and tidy.
Do you sit on the sofa?
I sit on the soft sofa.
Do you drink water at home?
I drink clean water here.
Do you read at home?
I read short books at home.
Do you listen to music?
I listen to soft music.
Do you help at home?
I help my family at home.
Do you eat at home?
I eat good food at home.
Do you watch TV?
I watch TV a little.
Is your home warm?
My home is warm and nice.
Do you walk in your room?
I walk in my room.
Do you rest at home?
I rest at home happily.
Do you clean your room?
I clean my small room.
Do you like staying home?
I love staying at home.
Is home a good place?
Home is a great place.
Do you smile at home?
I smile every day at home.
Do you enjoy your time?
I enjoy my time at home.
Are you comfortable here?
I am very comfortable here. Going to bed.
Are you tired now?
I am really tired.
Is it time to sleep?
Yes, it is time.
Do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face?
I wash my face.
Is your bed comfortable?
My bed is very soft.
Do you turn off the light?
I turn off the light.
Are you sleepy now?
I am very sleepy.
Do you get in bed?
I get in my bed.
Is the room quiet?
The room is quiet.
Do you close your eyes?
I close my eyes.
Do you feel warm?
I feel warm and good.
Do you sleep early?
I sleep early today.
Is today a good day?
Today is a good day.
Do you like your bed?
I love my bed.
Are you ready to sleep?
I am ready to sleep.
Do you have nice dreams?
I have sweet dreams.
Is night quiet now?
Night is very quiet.
Do you relax your body?
I relax my body.
Do you feel calm now?
I feel calm and fine.
Good night to you.
Good night to you.